Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing Photoshop so new fonts register cleanly. Once done, go to Google Fonts, pick a family, and download the zip with glyphs. Choose the TTF or OT file for compatibility. Make sure you extract the folder, then double-click the font file and click Install for Windows or Install Font for Mac OS. This adds the font to your system library, so Photoshop will be able to see it after relaunching. That's why closing the app first matters. Once Photoshop is relaunched, open a document and select the Type tool so you can verify the font appears in the font dropdown. If it's missing, clear Photoshop's font cache or restart the computer. Sometimes the OS needs a moment to register new fonts. Choose the new family and test different styles like regular or bold and set a sensible size and leading. You're checking how the font renders on screen and ensuring kerning, weight, and metrics look right before committing to layout work. Now use the Type tool and the Character panel to fine-tune size, tracking, and anti-aliasing so the text matches your design. If the font doesn't show or behaves oddly, make sure it's properly installed in the OS font folder, then restart Photoshop. That often resolves sync problems. If issues persist, remove the font and re-download from Google Fonts in a fresh zip. Corrupted files happen. Finally, validate via Fontbook or Windows Font Viewer to confirm.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.